The Instant Pot Duo Plus 6 Quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile and easy-to-use kitchen appliance that can help you prepare delicious meals quickly and easily. Here is a detailed review of the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 functionality. The Instant Pot Duo Plus offers 9 different cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer, and food warmer. This makes it a great all-in-one appliance for busy families and meal prep enthusiasts. Stainless steel gray. The Instant Pot Duo Plus has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. The stainless steel gray finish matches with any kitchen decor and looks beautiful on your counter. Whisper Quiet Steam Release. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is the only multi-cooker with the Quietest steam release, which makes it easy to use without disturbing others. It also has step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD and a clear cooking progress bar for real-time feedback. Quick one-touch cooking. With 25 customizable smart programs, you can easily cook a variety of dishes, including ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. The one-touch cooking feature makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Versatile Inner Cooking Pot. The food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom offers more even cooking in an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. The versatile inner cooking pot is perfect for cooking a variety of dishes. Cook fast or slow. The Instant Pot Duo Plus can pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. This makes it a great choice for busy families who want to enjoy healthy, flavorful meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Quick, easy cleanup. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is easy to clean with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. This makes it easy to clean up after cooking, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal. Safety features. The Instant Pot Duo Plus includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. This makes it a safe and reliable appliance to use in your kitchen. Serves 6 people. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for quick weekday family dinners, gatherings, or meal prep batches. This makes it a great choice for families who want to cook healthy, flavorful meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Discover amazing recipes. The Instant Pot Duo Plus comes with a free app that you can download on iOS and Android. With over 800 recipes, you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals for your family and friends. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 6-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile and easy-to-use kitchen appliance that can help you prepare delicious meals quickly and easily. With its range of features, safety features, and easy-to-clean design, it's a great choice for busy families, meal prep enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to cook healthy, flavorful meals with minimal effort. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.